Hola estudiantes, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Bien, hoy quiero hablarles sobre, so they have a different behavior. The good thing is that if you know already how to conjugate a regular verb, that is going to be very helpful. Why? Because we are going to keep conjugating at the end of our verbs like we learned before. Okay, but now the only difference is that some of the verbs, in this case the stem changing verbs, are going to have a change within the stem. Okay, now before we go to that part, I'm going to review quickly the pronouns. Remember? So yo, tú, él, ella, y y usted, ¿verdad? So I'm going to put these together because they share basically the same endings, okay? And then these are the singular, and now we have the plurals. Nosotros, so I'm included, so that's we, okay? And then vosotros or vosotras, that's you all, informal. And then we have ellos, which is they, he, but then if he is with others, then ellos, masculine or mixed group. And then ellas, ella, singular, she, and then they, all of them female. And then we have ustedes, because of course we have usted. Usted is you, formal. Okay, you formal. And then the plural, you all formal. Okay, you all formal. So these are the pronouns. Okay, now um, you're going to start seeing some patterns, and it's very important that you pay attention to patterns. So the pattern that you're going to see with these irregular verbs is this one. We call it la bota, the boot. I tried my best. I tried my best to draw a boot. Okay, so why? Because everything that is inside of the boot is going to experience a change. So the nosotros and the vosotros, they are out. They are not going to have any change. And then you're going to see these very quickly. Okay. Now, these are the changes that we are going to start seeing. Okay. The E is going to IE, and some verbs that are going to experience those changes are querer, preferir, and empezar. Okay. And let's pay attention to querer. Now we have querer here. And querer means to want, okay? To want, to wish. So, yo is the first person, and then nosotros plural for the first person. Singular, plural, we, right? And if you pay attention, we have quiero. You see the E? I said before that the E goes to IE, okay? So, quiero. Yo quiero, and then the ending like before. Tú quieres, and then él, ella, or usted quiere. See? Now, with nosotros, we don't see the change. Nosotros queremos, vosotros o vosotras queréis. No change in the E, you see? The E is going to stay. And then ellos, ellas, y ustedes quieren. And then I go back to the change. Okay? So, again, we're going to see this pattern. Okay? And that takes place for querer, preferir, and empezar. They are going to experience the changes. Okay. And with preferir, You see that it has two E's. The one that you're going to change in case that you see another verb similar to preferir is the one closer to the end of the verb. Okay, so preferir, the second E, the one closer to the end, is the one that is going to experience the changes. The same thing with empezar, which means um, to begin, to start. Okay. Now, also in this week, we're going to see other verbs that they have a different behavior. The E, instead of going to IE, is going to I. But there are very few verbs. So my suggestion is make a list of those that are going to have this change because there are very few. Okay. And then memorize them, and everything else belong to this one. Okay. And then practice. Once you start practicing, you will remember. Okay. So you don't have to be so worried. Just practice, and then everything will be, you will start doing things in a mechanical way. Okay, because it will get into your long-term memory. And then the last group is the O that goes to UE. For example, dormir. So dormir is the infinitive, and then when I conjugate the verb, I say yo duermo, UE, yo duermo. Okay. The other one is, by the way, dormir is to sleep. Yo duermo, tú duermes. And then volver. Volver is to return. Yo vuelvo. Again, the O goes to UE. But if I do the nosotros, remember the nosotros is out of the boot. So it's going to be nosotros volvemos. So no change. Okay. I hope that this is clear. Just practice. And if you have any question, again, email me. I'll take a picture of these explanations and I'm going to post them. Okay. And remember the boot. Okay. Ciao. Hasta luego.